Welcome to this introductory video about Tessitura integration within the ActivityHD system. Our agenda today will start with ActivityHD and the active trial balance. Then we will run a live integration and see the results in the active trial balance. Here we see the ActivityHD dashboard and a company called Opera Texas. On the left, we can expand Opera Texas, open the general ledger, look at the financial views, and click on an active trial balance. This trial balance is different than any other trial balance you've seen before. It has a column with the chart of accounts, the beginning balance, debits and credits, net activity, and ending balance. This is a traditional trial balance, but it includes many unique features. Let's investigate the meals entertainment account. We can click on the $344.22, look at the original entry for that amount, open the AP invoices, look at one of the invoices, and drill down in the Attachments tab. As you can see, this isn't just a static trial balance, but an investigative tool. Not only can we investigate by drilling down to the details, but we can also watch our columns update in real time. Let's create a new journal entry to transfer money from the Vectra Payroll account to the Petty Cash account. In the description we'll write, Test, and in the activity source box, Journal Entry. Now, we can transfer the money by inserting the account numbers for each account, the dates, the reference, and the credit and debit amounts. Since the trial balance is active, we can watch the screen to see the numbers update in real time. You'll notice that the $10,000 is now in the Petty Cash account and removed from the Vectra Payroll account. We will use this feature to see the information that's integrated from Tessitura update live on the active trial balance. We can also modify the layout of the trial balance. If we right-click, the Options tab allows us to remove the beginning balance column, ending balance, debits, and credits, leaving only the net activity column for the month of July 2022. Here is another trial balance that is specifically built for demonstrating the Tessitura integration. When we demonstrate the integration, we will bring in posting numbers from April of 2024. Tessitura will post information into the accounting system for April and record revenues in the proper month for revenue recognition purposes. In this presentation, we are showing all 275 accounts in the chart of accounts. We only want to see Tessitura-related accounts. Therefore, we can filter the dashboard to only show the 33 accounts that will be affected by the Tessitura postings. These accounts are the accounts for ticket sales, gift certificates, handling fees, insurance fees, individual contributions, in-kind contributions, and bequests. The general problem is how to get data from Tessitura into the accounting system. Most of you are downloading files, manipulating the files in Excel, and then either importing or hand-keying the data into your ERP system. This is tedious and error-prone. And there is additionally a step to post the revenue recognition by performance. The solution is ActivityHD, and the one-button click to import all Tessitura data and also create all revenue recognition entries. What are the mechanics? Recall that transactions are batched in Tessitura into groups and assigned a posting number. Once a transaction is assigned a posting number, the transactions cannot change. They are immutable. ActivityHD imports Tessitura data by posting number. Posting numbers contain data related to the types of payments, such as cash, checks, and credit card. Posting numbers also contain the types of revenue, like gifts, venue fees, and ticket sales. Revenues flow into the general ledger as of the date of the transaction, except for ticket sales for future events. The ticket sales must be booked into unearned revenues at the time of the transaction, and then moved from unearned revenues to earned as of the date of the performance. And of course, in any one posting number there are collections of ticket sales for many different performances. Likewise, expenses for performances typically occur before the performance, and must be placed in prepaid expenses, and then moved to performance expenses, as of the date of the performance. ActivityHD has a magic button that will do all the work for you, with the revenues originating in Tessitura. You enter a few parameters to determine which posting numbers to process. Then the ActivityHD system authenticates to the Tessitura web service over the internet, retrieves the selected unprocessed posting numbers, creates a new ActivityHD AR invoice for each Tessitura posting number, creates revenue recognition for all the ticket sales, and then logs out of the Tessitura web service. Let's demonstrate. Our sample company is an opera company. Looking at the website, we have a production of Donizetti's Daughter of the Regiment, with 4 performances in November of 2024, and then Puccini's La Bohème, with performances in February and March of 2025. Now all this integration between Tessitura and ActivityHD happens electronically, so how can we visualize this in action? We can watch this happen in real time by using the active trial balance we introduced earlier. Tessitura revenue postings are brought into the accounts receivable system as a cash invoice. At the top of the screen is the magic Tessitura button. The connection information is provided from an encrypted safe location in the database. We enter the beginning posting number and a date range of April 1st through April 20th. When we click on Next, we see the information screen that tells us what is about to happen. In this case, we are going to import posting numbers 5542 through 5563 that contain 639 individual transactions for the requested date range of 20 days. Now, watch closely as the postings are visualized in real time on the active trial balance. As the postings are processed, we see debits and credits appearing in the April columns. For most items, such as contributions, handling fees, and special campaigns, there is no revenue recognition required. The ticket sales are appearing as credits to deferred revenue accounts, and then as debits in the months of November 2024 and February/March of 2025. The flood bar in the bottom right corner counts the posting numbers as they are processed. The entire process took less than 1 minute for these 20 days of transactions. And that's it. Your accounting system is fully updated, and there is absolutely no more work you must do for the Tessitura data. We can drill down on any number in this active trial balance, such as the handling fees, and see the exact performances where the handling fee is applied and collected. We can drill down on the November 24th subscriptions and see the ticket sales for each performance. For the November 9th performance of Daughters of the Regiment, we can drill down and see the details of the $10,709 total. We see that nearly every day there are ticket sales. If we choose the April 3rd date and look at the AR invoice, we can find the exact postings for this amount, and the extra GL tab shows the revenue recognition for the posting number 5545. To conclude, don't you think we've shown an impressive solution to integrating Tessitura data into the ActivityHD accounting system? As you've just seen, our solution allows you to spend less time tediously entering data and manipulating files in Excel, all with the simple click of a button.